when nature calls. Except you're already out in nature. Looks like this princess comes with her own red carpet. And by the looks of it, her own servant too. Always handy. After all, why go camping when you can go glamping? Not every princess wants to rough it with 7 dwarfs. And setting up this tent just takes a flick of the wrist. Ooh, nice and shady. Hey, that reminds me, did you remember your tanning bed? Guess if we don't have shelter, we can always make some. Sturdy, but we'll need something to cover it up. Plastic wrap. That'll do nicely. It kind of looks like a spider's web. Oh, and just as fragile. Shelter with freshness protection. This place sure could use a television. But it's the perfect weather for this inflatable lounger. Just watch, the wind does the work for us. Close it up so you can lie back and relax. And remember to hydrate. Looks like we need some cush for your tush. And with a plastic bag, we can once more harness all that free air. In fact, why not make a few pillows while you're at it? Oh no, a snake! And look at that nasty bite! That's gotta hurt. But don't worry, princess, we've come prepared. This pump sucks out all that mess. And it's just so fun to use, too. Ouch! First a snake bite, now she's got a splinter. I'm starting to see why people invented inside. And first aid kits, complete with a syringe, just what we needed. And a kiss will make it all better.
Ouch!
With all that soda she's been drinking, you just know what happens next. Luckily, we've got a portable potty. Don't forget to add a plastic bag. Excuse me, this is a private affair. What's she up to? Yeah, she's really into apple picking. Nice and juicy. And here we go again. There's gotta be something we can use. How about this chair? Oh, it already has a hole. Let's just make it bigger. Good thing she brought all those plastic bags with her. And a toilet seat. Well, better out than in, I always say. Tomatoes? Yeah, I'd go see a doctor about that.
Ew!
Oh, what a lovely morning. Shame we can't say the same about your breath.
Ew!
Okay, we've got toothpaste, but what about a toothbrush? Even better, an electric toothbrush. It'll do the work for us. And just in time, too. Our butler's about to go on his lunch break. Wow, even her braces look a little shinier. We don't even need a breath check with her. At least she brought a toothbrush. Oh, that's unfortunate. Luckily, that syringe from before is really handy. You just fill it up with toothpaste. Push, and it fills up the brush. Time to clean those pearly whites. Much better. The best kind of outdoor fun is always near the water. And while we're here, let's catch us up some lunch.
Hey!
Just add some stale bread crusts, not like we're gonna eat them, and throw. We caught a fish, and on our first try, too. Talk about lucky.
Ooh.
Of course, the only raw fish this girl eats is sashimi. This one's easy. Just take the other girl's fish before it goes bad. But she's got another idea, a makeshift hook.
Wow!
Complete with a makeshift fishing line, too. Yeah, we got ourselves a fish.
Wow.
Break out the tartar sauce. Time to cool off with a nice dip in the… Whoa, that's too cold. I was gonna suggest a temperature-controlled ocean, but this could work. And it looks like there's plenty of legroom. Does she know how to control this thing? I swore I told her not to forget her water wings. Ooh, maybe there's something in this bottle that can help. Well, there's no genie, but maybe all we need is the bottle. Or rather, bottles. Just clasp the bottles onto your shirt and tie it tight. Look at her in the water. She's like a regular little mermaid. Always nice to catch your breath with a backstroke. Look at all this kindling. We can use it to start a fire. And we've got just the bag to carry it all in. Yeah, she's not doing the heavy lifting. I'm surprised she didn't make him fill the bag. It's wood, but you're gonna pull something lifting that. Luckily, she's got a secret weapon. Shoelaces. No, really. With some twists and turns, it's like your own backpack. The middle of nowhere is the perfect place for a fashion show. Ah, all these beautiful clothes, and there's nothing to wear. Oh, inflatable hangers. This'll help keep things organized. And if we hang them up, it'll give us a good look at everything. But sometimes less is more. This isn't really jacket weather. How's she gonna hang it up though? Oh, a tree branch. Clean it off and maybe add some… Wow, this girl is like a shoelace savant. Fasten to a tree and hang up. Do you want a napkin or something? Actually, let's do one better. A nice clean wash. Fill up this container, tilt, and it's like you have your own woodland sink. Probably should wash your face while you're at it, too.
Ooh.
Maybe you should just try wearing shoes?
Ew. Ew.
Looks like she can use a nice cleanup, too. If it isn't shoelaces with this girl, it's plastic bags. Poke some holes and have a whole body wash. Outdoor amazing stuff. Catch you next time. She's a survivor. She's gonna make it. Keep on surviving! At least after she's caught her breath. Quick, there's ships! Get their attention! Yoo-hoo! Well, here's the next best thing. Supplies. Is there food? Oh, even better, a smartphone. Oh no, we could have used it to order a pizza or call for help. Well, I guess this works too. Let's just hope those ships are still there. Oh, that doesn't look good. And I don't think she's got a napkin. And now she's got a splinter. Luckily, this syringe works better than tweezers. It just sucks it out. Wow, this tropical island sure is chilly. Maybe this stretch wrap can help keep our temperature secure. It's a brand new sweater. Let's cut it up into a jacket. But let's add our own flair to this coat. Take out that marker. Fashion with function. Good, protect the stuff. Something tells me there's more helpful gadgets inside. Oh, what a lucky break. Strawberries. Are they fresh? Well, that answers that. We might be in the middle of nowhere, but she's not an animal. And this makeshift toilet will help her feel comfortable. That cushioned seat is just classy. The toilets at home wish they had such soft seats. Let's see what else is in here. It's a sleeping bag you can practically wear. Just remember to zip things up nice and tight. And just think, this bear costume might scare off predators. Oh no! Is the luggage okay? And you're all messy. The one thing better than a change of clothes is a way to clean them. Now you can wear the same thing every day, just like in the cartoons. Wow, it's like combining laundry day and leg day all in one. Now that's nice and clean. Oh no. She's got that look in her eyes. Talk about your bleach blonde. What's that hot, musky smell? Oh, it's you. Do these pop tubes give you any ideas? Well, take this bottle and use it to collect some water. Now these tubes can become part of a makeshift shower. Any hope you've got air conditioning in there?
Huh?
Next best thing. Look at all that water. If only it smelled as good as it looked. With this bottle and some cloth, we can collect clean water, drip by drip. And will you look at that? A message in a bottle. A helpline? If only you hadn't destroyed that smartphone. But maybe this bottle can help us. Add duct tape. And now we have a cute little cup for all our cup-related needs. Apples! Let's hope they're fresher than those strawberries. And they fall right to you. Talk about convenience. Cocoa and apples? Oh, she's making hot chocolate in an apple. Let it cook, and don't forget the marshmallows. And when you're done, you get to eat the cup. Hiking 101 says you need to keep your feet dry, unless you like blisters. Let's hope there's some shoes packed in here. Oh, even better, waterproof socks. Let's test them out, but not too much. Can't waste good water. Let's see if all this money survives. I mean, it's not like it's gonna do us any good on this deserted island. Time for a nap. Who would have guessed rocks would be too hard to be pillows? Maybe this inflatable pool could make a soft bed. Throw in some pillows that we could have used before. Could use an extension. Let's see what we can whip up with this hoop. Add a curtain, and we have some shade. Good thing you looked before you leaped. People seldom do. Wait, is she gonna skateboard down that thing? Sure beats walking. Toto, I have a feeling we're still in Kansas. Probably should keep an eye on your things. And this is why you wear a helmet and knee pads. Where'd you get those marshmallows anyway? Catch you next time.